There are two worlds in Paris, the one tourists imagine and the one French women actually live in. And if you want to understand true Parisian style, you need to know not just what they wear, but what they would never be caught dead in. Because in Paris, elegance isn't optional, it's survival. The first thing French women never wear is anything that tries too hard. Overdone glamour, loud statements, or obvious displays of money are considered vulgar. In Paris, the louder you scream for attention, the less people take you seriously. What they embrace instead is a kind of refined discretion, style that whispers but lingers in your memory. They also never follow trends blindly. Parisian women have seen trends come and go like waves, and nothing is less chic than being enslaved to the latest micro moment. They know that true allure comes from having a signature, from refining a style so deeply that people recognize you without seeing the label. Another thing you'll never see is chaos. Too many colors, too many accessories, too many conflicting ideas. It's the mark of someone unsure of themselves. French women understand restraint. They understand that editing is power and that confidence comes from saying no as often as yes. And now let's talk about what they are already wearing this fall. Parisian women are leaning into quiet strength, building wardrobes that exude stability, richness, and depth. Their style is less about decoration and more about presence. This season, they are crafting looks that carry authority in the day and subtle sensuality at night, without ever crossing into caricature. They are also embracing timeless codes in new ways, heritage, tailoring, elegance, but with an ease that feels lived in, never stiff. What they are already wearing is not trend chasing, but evolution, an upgrade of what has always worked, polished for the now, and above all, they are wearing confidence. Real Parisian street style isn't about what's on the hanger, it's about how you move, how you inhabit your clothes, how you make the city itself feel like your runway. That's the secret. French women don't just wear fashion, they embody it. If you understand this, you'll stop dressing like you're performing Paris and start dressing like you belong to it. And that is the real difference. What makes this even more fascinating is that French women have an unspoken rule. They never let their style look like it was purchased all at once. Anything too obviously new, too coordinated, too eager, instantly betrays itself. Parisian elegance comes from building a wardrobe that looks like it has grown with you, layer by layer, memory by memory. That continuity is what makes their street style impossible to fake. Another thing they never wear is desperation disguised as fashion. Pieces chosen only to impress strangers, to grab likes, to prove wealth. These are dismissed as hollow. A Parisian knows that real allure isn't validated by anyone else's approval. It's internal and it radiates outward. That's why their style carries a kind of self-possession that no trend can manufacture. And what they are already wearing for fall 2025 is intention. Every element, no matter how subtle, is chosen to send a message. They're dressing for the lives they are living now, intellectual, layered, complex, while leaving in enough mystery to keep people guessing. This balance of clarity and intrigue is what makes Parisian fashion so magnetic. They are also embracing atmosphere. French women don't wear clothes simply for function. They wear them to set a tone, to create a mood. This fall, it's about depth. Darker palettes, richer textures, shapes that suggest power without shouting it. On the streets of Paris, you feel the season not just through the weather, but through what women are already putting on. And here's the truth. What French women never wear tells you as much as what they do. By eliminating the unnecessary, by refusing to participate in the noise, they elevate the essentials into something extraordinary. That discipline, restraint, subtlety, presence is what separates Parisian street style from anywhere else in the world. So when you walk through Paris this fall, understand this: the women aren't just dressing, they're teaching. And if you pay attention, you'll see that the most important lesson is not how to look French, it's how to wear your own identity with the same conviction. There's also an elegance in what French women refuse to prove. They never dress to convince you of their success, their desirability, or their relevance. Clothes are not arguments, they're affirmations. That's why you won't see them drowning in exaggerated logos or chasing the latest viral obsession. In Paris, needing to prove is the opposite of chic. Another thing you'll never catch them in is uniformity. The French woman doesn't copy-paste an aesthetic from a screen and wear it like a costume. She edits, she interprets, she bends the rules until they feel personal. This refusal to submit to sameness is why Parisian style has always felt alive. It breathes individuality. For fall 2025, what they are already wearing reflects a mood of resilience. After years of turbulence in fashion and culture, Parisian women are anchoring themselves in looks that feel stable, intelligent, and enduring. Their style is not escapism, it's strategy. It tells the world, I know who I am, and I'm not moving with the storm. They're also wearing contrast in a way that feels deeply French. Softness against structure, shadow against light, elegance against effortlessness. This tension creates harmony, a balance that's never too polished, never too careless. That's why Paris street style always looks unforced. It thrives in imperfection, elevated to art. But perhaps the most defining thing they're wearing this season is mystery. The kind that makes you want to look twice, to wonder what else is hidden beneath the surface. French women understand that style is not about giving everything away. It's about knowing what to hold back. And that restraint, that allure of the unseen, is what makes them unforgettable. In the end, Parisian women aren't following trends, they're shaping them by instinct. What they never wear is insecurity. What they always wear is identity. And in fall 2025, that quiet confidence is the most powerful fashion statement you can make.